If you're having action block problem on Instagram, I will tell you there are two ways you can solve this problem, action block problem on Instagram. First of all, you have to know why you are getting the action block problem. There are four ways you can get this problem. First, if you like someone else's post or repeatedly for a short period of time, you will get the action block problem. And then if you comment on someone else's post or repeatedly for a short period of time, then you will get the action block problem. These are the two ways you will get action block problem. And the third thing is, if you search someone else's account, Instagram account, and go and follow and unfollow them or repeatedly for a short period of time, it's a kind of trick, but if you're doing this kind of things, then you will get the action block problem on your Instagram account. These things are normal, but if you are doing this thing, the last one is the application. If you are using the third party application for increase your Instagram increase your followers, likes or comments, then you will be in trouble. In future your Instagram ID will be hacked. So I will tell you how to solve this kind of problem. If you are doing these things, then go to Instagram first on your mobile phone, smartphone, and then click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, here you can see three dots. Click on three dots. After that, click on settings. After that, click on account. Again click on linked account. If you link your Instagram with third party application, you have to turn off that. After doing that, again go to Instagram, click on three dots on top right corner. After that, click on three dots, and here you can see the settings. Click on the setting option and click on the security. After that, click on password. Here a auto generated password will be sent to your smartphone mobile number that you have given here. You have to change the password. After that, go to settings on your smartphone, click on application apps. Again click on apps. Here you have to do is, you have to search for the Instagram. Search Instagram. After searching Instagram, here you have to do the data storage. Click on storage. Here you have to do clear data and clear cache. After clearing this thing, go to directly the Play Store, and here you have to search the Instagram on the search engine. After doing that, click on that. You have to uninstall that Instagram. After few hours, wait for few hours. You have to reinstall the Instagram and change the password. You have to put it and you can use. There will be no action block problem. The second thing you can solve the action block is, go to Instagram, click on three dots and click on the settings. After that, click on help. After that, report and problem, click on that. Again click on report and problem. Here you have to do is, you have to write why you are getting the action block problem. Like I am getting the action block problem, so kindly check and review my Instagram account. Instagram is doing by mistakenly doing this thing, like something like you have to write it here. Like I have written something here, you can also write that. After writing all those things, what you have to do is, you have to take a screenshot of your action block problem on Instagram and save it on your gallery. Here there is the option, you can choose this option and select your screenshot of action block problem and send it to them, and within few hours your problem will be solved. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more tech news updates.